It's time once again for The Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, fresh off the weekend. Guys, how are you doing today?
The hotline blew up this weekend.
You had that party on the hotline.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it blew up.
Pretty wild. All right, we got to get to the question because there is more legal advice that has to be given by our attorneys. And today, Dennis from McAdoo has the stage, and he says, I'm a mechanic and was working as a temp for a local company. I broke my arm when a machine malfunctioned. The temp agency is telling me there is nothing they can do for me. Are they right?
Dennis, they are absolutely incorrect. First of all, you're going to be entitled to workers' compensation because you were working at the time this incident happened. And you're going to be able to get workers' compensation most likely through the temp agency. Beyond that, if the product malfunctioned or if the place that you were working at didn't provide adequate training, you potentially could have case or cases against them as well to receive compensation for what happened to you. But the temp company telling you that there's nothing they could do for you, just kind of go on your way, that's just absolutely flat out wrong.
Yeah, that's nonsense from the temp company. I mean, they're on the hook for it. We've handled a ton of cases against temp companies. So what you need to do is file the claim, get to a lawyer who can file the claim, file a claim petition, and get the matter heard, because you're entitled to your medical benefits, you're entitled to your wages, and that's immediate. So you need to get on that, and then if there's a defect, then you need to get in touch with your lawyers and let them take a look at whether or not the defect can get a suit against the manufacturer or even against the employer. So, I mean, you got a lot to do, so I'd get on it immediately.
All right, some good advice. And for our viewers that need your legal help and have a question or they want to ask you more personally, how can they do that?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Sounded like
You wanted more?
rehearsing or something.
Or you can call the hotline. You can see Ed at the gym. I mean, there's a million ways to ask us questions.
Flag you down when you're walking down the street.
I get stopped everywhere.
Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn, send us a smoke signal. I mean, whatever you want to do, we'll get back to you.
You guys are so 2014 Snapchatting now.
Yes, sir.
Well, don't forget, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much.
Our pleasure.
BAHomepage.com or the hotline, your best places to ask a question for the law and you.